Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my YouTube class. Guys, I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. In this session, I'm going to give you a complete information related to i-scsi. So we will discuss about the usage of i-scsi and also try to understand about the procedure to configure i-scsi in our server 2016 and 2012 as well. So for this particular task, firstly, we just need to know about the concept, means why it is important and what are the usage of i-scsi service. And after that, we'll move ourselves to the setup and discuss about the procedure, right? So first of all, we just need to know about the concept of i-scsi. So guys, as per the name suggests, the i-scsi is a type of protocol which is available in our server and client both operating system. The difference between server and client's operating system, basically server operating system contain i-scsi server and client operating system like Windows 7 or Windows 10 contain a i-scsi initiator, right? So let's try to understand about the usage with the help of diagram. For example, you establish one server machine with the server 2012, right? This is our server 2012 computer, and we have another computer maybe contain another operating system like Azure server or Windows 10 or Windows 7 operating system, right? And with the help of i-scsi service, we are planning to make a communication between our server to client machine, and also by using the service of i-scsi, by using i-scsi software or by using i-scsi service, we are able to distribute the resources from server machine to client. For example, you establish a hard drive with capacity of 1 TB, right? 1 TB hard is connected with our server operating system, and you are planning to share few space from your 1 TB of hard drive to your client computer. Like from 1 TB, you are planning to share up to 200 gig space to your client machine, maybe Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. So with the help of i-scsi, we are able to distribute the space from our server machine to client. So for this particular practical, what I'm going to do, I have already installed server 2012, and another operating system is also a server operating system. So not an issue, we are able to perform the task in both server operating system as well. So what are the prerequisites? First of all, both machines should be communicate to each other. So let me verify the IP address of both computer. Need to log in our server machine. Okay, so let me log in our second machine as well. And both systems should be communicate to each other. The main prerequisite is communication, right? Then we are able to distribute the space. Then we are able to distribute our disk space from one machine to another machine. So first of all, we just need to make a communication between each other. Server 1 contain IP address of 192.168.1.13, right? And another server machine contain IP address of maybe 200 IP config. Okay, let me check the IP address of second computer. Open CMD and type ipconfig. Okay, second machine IP address is 200. Let me verify the communication. 192.168.1.200. Okay, we are getting a reply from 200. Just need to verify from second machine as well. Again, open CMD, ping space 192.168.1.200. Fine, we are able to communicate each other. Now let's talk about, I'm just going to make server 2012 as a source and vCenter server use as a destination, you can say that. So what we need to do, I'm just going to open disk management and check how many hard disks are available in our vCenter server machine, and after that we'll share the space from our server 2012 computer to vCenter. Okay, so in disk management we have only one hard disk available with the capacity of 60 gig, and two different partitions are available, C drive and E drive. I'm just going to add one more hard drive, but not with the help of VMware workstation. We will add a hard disk by using the service of i-scsi. So open your server machine and again server manager. As we know that iscsi is a type of role which is help us to distribute the services, distribute the space from one machine to another machine. Add role and features, next, next, next. And what we need to do, we just need to identify file and storage services and explore the option, and we are able to find one option with name of iscsi target server. We just need to check mark, click add features, next, next, and install. First step, install the iscsi target server, and after that we'll create a logical drive and share with the help of iscsi protocol. So installation is in progress. Once our iscsi service installed successfully, we will proceed and create one virtual hard drive and share our virtual hard drive with any computers which is available in our environment. The prerequisite is just make sure both machines communicate to each other, right? The only prerequisite, no matter your system is a part of domain controller or part of work group, if both machines are communicating each other, definitely we are able to distribute the space from server machine to client computer, right? So we successfully install iscsi. What we need to do, just need to click on file and storage services, and in file and storage services we are able to find iscsi. Select iscsi, click task, new virtual hard drive, and it gives you the information about the available space in your server operating system. So right now we have a 49 point something GB free hard disk space available in server. Just click next, type any name, like I'm going to proceed with name of share storage, next. How much space you want to distribute? So I want to share 15 gig of space from server to vCenter server, next. iscsi target, next. Type any name, like I'm going to use testing, next. Again need to click add. We have a various way to assign space to our client. It may be through IQN number with the help of DNS name, IP address and MAC address as well. So I'm going to connect our space with the help of IP address. So you need to provide the IP address detail of your destination, right? So 200 is our vCenter server IP. So that's why I'm going to proceed with this machine, this particular IP address. Click OK, next, next, and create, right? So right now we are on page of 1.13 and we successfully share 15 gig of space to our 1.200. It's not connected, right? So how we can access it? Select your destination machine and search iscsi initiator. iscsi initiator, just need to open it. Yes, I want to open iscsi initiator. Target, our target IP address 192.168.13. You must need to provide the IP address of your source. So just need to click quick connect. IQN something connected successfully, click done and OK. We are able to get a one hard disk successfully added with our vCenter server, or you can say that client computer, with the help of iscsi protocol. Just right click, click online, and you are able to create a partition. You can use this particular hard drive to create your own partition, like you want to create a 2, 3 or 4 different partitions, you can do that. Next, verify the communication. Right click and refresh the page, and we are able to get a connected. Means with the help of i-scsi protocol, we are able to distribute space from one server machine to any client computer. So guys, this is all about i-scsi service. I hope you all of you understand properly. If you have any doubt or question, please let me know and drop a comment. Definitely will reach your comment and give you a proper solution. Okay guys, so thank you, take care, bye bye, and please do subscribe your Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. Take care.